So I only have 5 minutes to record this, so I'm going to make this as fast as I can, and I might have to follow up with an additional video. These are the new directions for you in completing your senior permission or graduate student project. I have submitted online a brand new template that might be a little bit easier to follow. Simply enter the information I am asking into slides and then share it with me. You can make a copy of the slides and simply type directly into the spaces I have provided. So now that you've learned a little bit more about service learning projects, you are going to think about a project you could do in your community for a group of students. The first slide will simply ask you to provide your name, what grade level or grade levels this would work with, how many students, and how long you think this might take. I want you to think about what is a problem in your area. This could be animal shelters. This could be food banks. This could be anything that could already be happening that we could maybe elevate by providing a little bit of learning and measurement around. So again, think about typical community service kind of work and how you could connect this to actual learning in the classroom. Explain your idea here. This is beyond just the sentence or your topic. Flesh it out a little bit more. What are you planning? What would you think would work? And then tell me about why you picked this particular topic. Driving question or questions. In this slide, you will simply answer, what do you hope to answer by doing the work? If it helps you, you can use one of the two sentence starters, such as, how can we as a class, or you might choose, what would happen if we? So think about that animal shelter idea. How can we as a class help support our local animal shelters? Or what would happen if we measured the impact of food drives on our local food pantry? So to begin with your service learning project, you have to engage your students first. You have to get a launch to doing the work. You can do this through a video, take students on a field trip, read a book, read things from your local newspaper. Tell me about how you're going to introduce the concept to your class. And then the second part is, give me the actual links you would use to show or share with your class. Planning and preparation. To carry this out, make a numbered list of the steps you would need to take to actually orchestrating this community service / service learning project. Standards and skills. Look across standards from grade levels even inside of science, math, ELA, or social studies. What standards do you feel as if your project would help support? List these in this slide. Reflection. After the service learning project is completed, give me one prompt that would say, here's what I wish students to think about, or a question or part of or aspect of the service learning I want them to reflect upon. Write your prompt underneath the first part, and then tell me how you wish for them to submit it. Google, a presentation, video, how are they going to communicate it to you? Demonstration celebration. Describe how you might orchestrate a way to send out the information your group gleaned beyond just your classroom for a grade. Any way that you could think more people could learn about the work you did. Assessment. What are the ways along the way you can maybe grade students? What are plans that you would have to collect these grades? I hope this screencast has been important in helping you feel more secure. Again, this is the way you're going to communicate to me your service learning project. I will follow up with this. This is just an initial plan in helping to support you in completing this project.